Rise in the sunshine, feel the fire in your soul. You're stronger than the waves and you're ready to float. Keep moving, keep shining, let your spirit take control. I got you, you're safe here, let the good vibes roll. Warm breeze on my skin, yeah, it tells me I'm home. Every dream that I carry, I don't chase, it comes. I step with courage, step in truth, step in power I own in this island of light. I'm never walking alone, the rhythm holds me steady like the tide on the shore. Every challenge that I meet only opens a door. I breathe in the peace and I rise even more. I'm rooted like a palm, unshaken at the core. No fear, no doubt, just the beat of my heart. Every sunrise reminds me it's my chance to restart. I'm guided, protected, lifted from the start. I'm shining like the moon in the tropical dark. Rise in the sunshine, feel the fire in your soul. You're stronger than the waves and you're ready to flow. Keep moving, keep shining, let your spirit take control. I got you, you're safe here, let the good vibes roll. Slow down, breathe deep, feel the ocean in your feet. You're built for greatness, you're complete, let the rhythm set you free.